Got this little package here to unbox. Some I purchased, some is PR. Because our Queen Tina is so gracious. Put my glove on because my nails are atrocious. So let me get this packaging out. She likes to put some of these pretty little things in here. So, let's get out what I ordered. I ordered these 4 pigments. These are glow in the dark. Ooh, what did I get? What did I get? What did I get? I have got, see if I can put these up together. Here we go. I see one already. I'm good. I wasn't too good at ordering because this one I already have. This is Pigment Pixies. I already have the pink on pink. This is a green glow in the dark to clear pigment, pink on pink, blue on blue, and green to blue. So the pink on pink I'm going to be giving away. I don't know who yet. I think I might put it in a giveaway. You can use these any time of the year. I have a glossy top coat that I ordered. I'm trying to remember what I ordered. That way I can keep the PR separate. If I did not order that. Let me see what I got. And I love SheModern. I'm going to put my code across the bottom of the screen. You can save yourself 10% off at checkout. I can't remember what all I ordered. Nope. Maybe. I think so. Okay. I believe this is what I ordered. This is 1, 2, 3. I think this is what I ordered right here. Green glow in the dark, clear, luminary glow gel. So we'll pop this baby over right here. This is glow in the dark. I wish I knew where my little, shoot. I'm not set up. Let me get a nail. Let me plug the lamp in. I'm going to do a little bit of demo here. I'm just going to slush this out really quick. I'm going to stamp over it probably at a later date. Oh, what is this? Let me shut the lights off. Ooh. There's something to hide the tablet. Hide the tablet. So this is the green to clear luminous glow gel. I can't talk, I can't see. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Didn't hear the sides too well, but that is pretty cool. Look at that. I got my overhead light on. That's pretty cool. I feel like I got some wheezing going on my chest still from having bronchitis. This is my glossy top coat. These are pixie pigments. Green glow in the dark, clear, luminous glow gel. So just set this out to the side. Okay. So then We have got the clear to green sticky base. You can kind of see that this glows here too. Hope you can see that. I don't know if you can with the lights. Sticky base gel polish. Just gonna say gel, I'm sorry. This is an air dry, so don't see it's gel. Air dry. Jelly clear sticky base polish. Sweet. Jelly clear stamping polish. Sweet. Thank you so much, Tina. This is all PR down here. This is what I purchased. Opaque holographic silver hollow. Okay. Let's open this puppy up. Where is it? Where is it? We gotta take these out and check them out. She has 4 prints. There's 100 sheets in each. Sheets per case. Little buddy, they want to pop on out. You stamp an image, sticky stamping polish has a window. That is what the marvelous thing about it is. It has a window. You don't have to rush in, hurry and pick up your image, hurry and stamp it. You don't have to do that. You can take your time. You can lay this down over it afterwards. You have a window. You don't have to rush in with the foil. You have a window. You don't have to rush in with the pigments. You have a window. You can wait a minute. You have a window. You lay this down over it. We'll see if it'll work on here. I don't know if it will. Kind of sad to put this down over the... No, it ain't gonna work on this one. Maybe we'll do a demo like this. We'll leave this out. But this is the holographic foil. Beautiful! Now our 3 bottles that Tina sent. Let's open them. Let's open them so you get a clear view. Gotta have a clear view. Can't show something and not open it. Have to have a clear view. So the first one is up on our thing on prices, right? Clear cold to hot, clear to black, blooming, oh my god, blooming marble, temperature changing, color change. Oh my god, I didn't know I had a... Oh my god, I know this is blooming. This is clear to black. I didn't know it was blooming though. Oh yeah, okay, it goes... It is cold in my room. It's like 40 degrees outside. My heat's probably set on 69 to 70. So we're just going to pop this on. I don't have any cold water in the cup. We're still going to... Is this container white? Yes, it has. This is it. So we're just going to put this on. I may have to pause and go get a cup of water. I believe you can stamp over this. The image may appear and disappear. I'm not 100%. Clear, cold to hot, black, blooming marble. I'm not sure how this works. I need gel polish. I fake. This is a Madam Glam, this is Jenna. So does this really bloom? I'm a little confused. Yes, it does. Yes, it does bloom. You see it before your eyes. So this is clear to black, blooming marble temperature color change. This should be a live demo. These are Madam Glam. This is magnetic. That's the name of it. It is not a magnetic polish. This is called Focus. And we're going to let those sit, see what we get. This is a jelly clear adhesive base for pigment and glitter. Or pigment, yeah, pigment and glitter. Sticky gel. Huh. So again, this is clear. We'll pop this in the lamp for 30. Green glow in the dark clear galaxy glow gel. I need a nail. I need a nail. Okay, this is for a different manicure that I'm in the process of trying out for myself. This is a blue smoke nail. It's got Charlie's foil on it. Blue smoke. So we're going to try it on this. Probably better on a dark nail, I would assume. I don't know. We'll try it out and see. Stroke, she says. No, she doesn't. I just did. You heard me though, right? Cover your nail, tip to cuticle, cuticle to tip. You can't backstroke a nail. I've seen somebody try to do that though. So we're gonna pop it in the lamp. This looks really cool, look at that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp as well. Give that a cure. So here we're demoing this, as well as the blooming. I do want to do a manicure though. With one of the images on here and the clear to black with some pigments that I have. So I'm gonna put my stuff away while this is in the lamp. Maybe those. I need to shut the lights off. Let me turn that back on, give her a charge. That's who is well prepared. Wish the overhead light wasn't on so you can see the luminous better. Luminous. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see it really well? I hope so. I really hope so. That is stunning. That's got some great glow on it. A galaxy. I can't remember what it's called. We're in the dark here. But that's beautiful. You do a lot of things with it year-round, not just at Halloween. Stars, moons, the nighttime sky. Be beautiful. So let me shed some light on the subject. This is our blooming. Look at that. This went from white to clear, but you just got the 3 dots. Super cool. So that's the clear to black. Blooming. So that's that. Glow green. And then over here I didn't open let me open this. So I opened them all. Oh, that's the glossy top coat. Let's put the glossy one and put this back over here. Not done with that now. Let's put the glossy top coat on this. I love the glossy top coat. It is my fave. I'm really kind of like getting, what's the word? Learning to appreciate a matte top coat. I've definitely learned to come to appreciate a matte top coat. So I'm popping this in the lamp now. So once again, this is the glossy top coat that she makes a gloss satin, a matte, and no wipe. Jelly non-stick. This is a no white top coat. I love these products. I stand behind them. I'm gonna pause, get a paper towel, and all my stuff set up to stamp. Can't get this case up. And we'll be right back.